Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data modify in Minecraft. This powerful command lets you directly change NBT data for various game elements. It's incredibly useful for creating custom experiences, from intricate minigames to complex redstone systems. You can precisely control block states, entity attributes, and even global data storage, opening up a world of possibilities for your creations. Let's look at the basic syntax. The command starts with data modify, followed by your chosen target. This could be a block at specific coordinates, an entity selected by its properties, or a storage space for global data. Next, you define the path, which is like navigating through a folder structure to pinpoint the exact NBT tag you wish to change. Understanding these components is key to precise data manipulation. Now let's explore some common operations. The set operation is straightforward. It completely replaces an existing NBT tag with a new value you provide. For combining data, merge is perfect, allowing you to blend two compound tags, adding new fields or updating existing ones. If you're working with lists, append adds an item to the end, while prepend places it at the beginning, giving you flexible control over data arrays. For more advanced scenarios, consider using the from source to copy data dynamically between different blocks, entities, or storage locations. The value source is incredibly powerful, letting you directly insert raw NBT data, which is perfect for complex custom tags. Always test your data modify commands in a dedicated creative world. Utilize debug tools and command blocks to refine your logic and ensure everything works exactly as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.